It is, what time is it? 4:27 in the morning, and we are being disturbed by an unsettling sound outside, only to find out that it is the tarp that we have outside. We are prepared to take action. We are the Wind Talkers. Follow me and my dad as we journey through the treacherous winds of Ontario, California. Here we go. Dun, 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 dun. Oh shoot! Better close this door. So you can't see it now, but what I am looking at right now is destruction. This horrible destruction caused by horrible winds of Southern California and Ontario, California. There she is. Just look at that. Now isn't that a beaut, huh? We can't believe that moved that much. Wow. Now it is being stuck from this point of entry to the other point of entryway. Nothing in here but my DJ equipment, which made it. As my dad travels back into the tarp, the tent, I see no fear in his eyes. No fear whatsoever. Inside the top is how dangerous. Oh crap! It is getting more and more dangerous out here in Southern California, which is one of the main reasons why this right here is stopping most of its actions. As you can tell, the bent pole. Oh! The wind is going crazy. Father, do you hear me? Yeah.
Pick up all that shit right there and take it inside.
Alright. Inside the house?
Put your camera where it is.
Till next time on the episode of Wind Talkers. So as you can tell, we have moved the tarp with the help of the neighbor, Ross. And with a little nice chat across the way, we see that the neighbor behind us also has lost his tarp into the other neighbor's backyard, which you can't see because it's too dark. What do you have to say about all this?
What do you have to say about it?
It's crazy. Hopefully get a good night's sleep now. This is episode 1 of Wind Talkers, or the Wind Whisperer, whatever you guys want to name it. I don't care. Unless I get a TV shot of this, I'm cool. I'll give you guys an update tomorrow morning to see what the damage has done. And here we are in the morning. As you can tell, things did not go good for the tent. The wind really took, it out, causing ripped tarp on the ground. Wow. Wow. Dangerous stuff here in Southern California and Ontario, California. Rest in peace. We just got it too. Very dangerous stuff. So sad. So sad. Don't forget to subscribe to Promo 13 and check out the clothing brand. Peace out.